Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying drivers and backing up the current profile. This saves time if you need to revert. Next, close all GPU-intensive apps so changes apply cleanly. Open your chosen overclocking utility, MSI Afterburner, Radeon software, or the manufacturer's control panel, and locate fan, core clock, and voltage controls. Once done, note the current values or export the profile. That way you have a safe reference before changing anything. You now revert the frequency and power changes precisely. Set the core clock offset to 0 MHz and the memory clock offset to 0 to return to stock speeds. Make sure you also reset any manual voltage adjustments and restore power limit to default. Reducing voltage without testing can cause instability. Apply the settings, and if the program asks, confirm or reboot. When you restart, the GPU should run at manufacturer frequencies. Monitor temps to ensure stability. To finish, verify the changes with a brief benchmark or stress test for 5 to 10 minutes so you can observe temperatures and clock behavior. Watch monitoring tools to confirm clocks remain at stock and that thermals are normal. This explains why you reset power and voltage. If you see crashes, artifacts, or odd behavior, restore the backup profile immediately and, if needed, reinstall or roll back drivers. This single troubleshooting tip usually fixes lingering instability after reverting overclocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.